back with another video. No intro needed. DDG. We back with another DDG reaction, man. Bro just bought a new Lambo. Ain't really nothing need to be said. Let's just get straight into it.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with your boy DDG. Today is a beautiful morning. I woke up this morning and I was like, I want a Lambo today. So I'm gonna go get one, man. So, my birthday is in like 5 days or 4 days or something like that. So I'm spoiling myself early. I wanted this other Lambo truck the other day, and somebody sold it as soon as I was finna go get it. So I decided I'm finna just hurry up, get up, go grab this, get it over with, and get straight to it, man. It's a very, very beautiful blessing. I want y'all to know, even though I might flex, even though I might, come off as arrogant, that's just me really trolling Rod. I'm really, really grateful for the position that I'm in, and I'm very, very thankful for y'all being a part of this journey. And I love y'all. But it ain't gonna hit me till I drive off in that hole. But it gonna be lit, man. Smash the like button. DG caught the Lambo. I like Wraiths and Lamborghinis, no doubt. Hey, turn that music off. You not here alone. Dang, bro. Life came to the shit. Lambos and fuck.
They didn't buy a car.
Walking with that heater. Look around. Stay down. Make sure they don't see. Which one? This one? This one? I don't like the color. Okay. Damn, I ain't gonna lie. These cars is sick. That's nasty. I wouldn't even want this. 667,000. You can't go nothing. This is what I don't get. Why people be getting super duper fast cars. Yeah, what's up? Good, man. Okay. Nice to meet you. Yeah, haven't you? Yeah, I'm ready to get a car. Ready to get this car right here. So what we need to do? But I was saying, bro, we can't go nothing but 65 miles per hour. What's the point? Like getting a car that goes 260. I never got that. Y'all niggas be trying to be racers, but it's illegal. So I just say my piece, but this is crazy. Do anybody be buying these? People be buying these?
We did one this morning.
This morning you sold one of these?
We sold a pre-owned one. Go to S&J.
For how much?
For $690.
$690. I would never. Maybe one day. All right. How much is this?
3.7.
3.7 million. All right. Okay. That ain't my range right now, bro. Ain't in that range. This is crazy. You can't get in that bitch. They said no.
Mm-hmm.
All right, y'all. I just did all the paperwork, man. Crazy how I unloaded the Lamborghini store and in my song, my hit song, Moonwalking in Calabasas, that you gonna stream all day today. Well, I said I don't even like them. That's how you know I be lying and shit. Because I like them now. I wasn't even trying to cop, but I'm finna cop on everything. Give me this one. I need this one.
You want this one?
Yeah, I need this one.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Alright. Alright, thank you.
Anything else I can help you?
Nah, I just grab that one. That's like $1,200, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's too much. I don't even spend no more.
Bro, $1,200 for a jacket, bro? Wow. $1,200 for a hoodie, bro.
Shopping for my birthday shit. I want to buy this bag. This bag is 3 racks though. It's tripping. I gotta be swagged out for my birthday, so gotta fuck with the Dior. How much is this? Let's see how much this is. Oh. Wait a second. Alright, y'all. Did a little bit of shopping for my birthday. Y'all know my birthday on the 10th, but every day of October is. I'm gonna go pick up the Lambo right now.
You say every day what?
Every day my birthday.
What you do yesterday for your birthday? Ain't do shit. Shut your water bottle head ass up.
Yeah,
Every day my birthday. You a baddest bitch. The baddest.
Every day my birthday.
Every day my birthday, bitch.
Breaking Bad.
What? I got a birthday.
it's real life.
Oh, it's real life. It's gotta be. Alright, cool. I don't need no extras.
So you good. So this one right here is going to say, it's your new.
Fucked up dread.
Have some t-shirts for that. Alright. I like racing Lamborghini. Sleevy, man. No regular day.
This ain't a regular day.
Regular day, man. October 50th. I know I do it every year. But my birthday is in 5 more days, but I wanted to drive this when I pull up to the jet. Get it. No cap. No cap. No cap.
What you got out of there, bro? What you get?
Man, I don't even know, man. One of them.
Oh, you bought a mystery car?
What is it? Can't even see.
You know,
I ain't know what it is, man. Might work. No cap.
No God.
Hey, man. First went from the I-8.
I
Went from the Oldsmobile to the 02. Old, I used to whip that bitch. I cried that night when how that shit go?
Lambo. L-O.
Yeah,
L-A-M-B-O.
Lambo,
L-A-M-B-O.
For $5,
You know,
you could
I'm gonna
upgrade
watch
to
the
the
ad.
sparkly
Just
sprinkle
because
pack
we
on
just bought it.
Cupcake
I'm gonna support my
Conquest.
nigga. I'm gonna watch the whole
Or you could upgrade to all this. 2 crunchy tacos and a medium drink. Plus, the beefy cheesy layers of the $5 Grande Stacker Box. Only at Taco Bell.
Don't say I'm not a real nigga. I'll watch this one too. Never again. My last. Once and only. When
Started off with the 02, went to the G. Gave the G to my mama. Got rid of the Oldsmobile. Fucked around, got an I-8. You got the I-8. Got another I-8. G-Wagon. Rolls Royce. I got a Lambo. Keep upgrading. Next time, buy a spaceship. Alright, y'all.
That's some real shit though.
Reveal the vehicle right now. Brand new Lamborghini. You can probably take the rest of the shit. Did I just rip it off? Yeah. Mark, get set.
No!
Obviously, I'm gonna get it Rizzy rope.
Yeah.
So I decided to go with the chocolate interior.
Hold on, before you say that, dang, Terrell, we get to ride in a Lambo, we leave, bro. What them niggas doing?
Hey, listen. Come check it out. We might as well do a car tour right here because, you know, I don't do
I have
YouTube.
to have him do the car tour. Let him tell you all the details,
Okay.
specs.
Could you tell us the specs of the vehicle? And
Yeah, absolutely. This is the exterior color, which is called Grigio Links.
Come on.
It's got the upgraded 23-inch wheels.
Grigio Links. I gotta put that in the song.
Yeah, so it's a metallic grip.
Grigio Links in the line.
And we got the wheels are diamond cut as well, which gives it a.
Ooh. I ain't got them on today.
Yeah, it's a little same.
Oh, snap. There we go.
Yeah, that's it. It's about the same.
That's a walk. I mean, there you go. We're diamond cut. Was it funny? There you go.
Nah.
And then so overall, this car is 650 horsepower. Oh,
I don't know what that is.
625 foot-pounds of torque. The car absolutely flucks. It's all-wheel drive, V8, air suspension, so it lowers up and down the remote drive motor. It's an absolute beast. Wow, you can have a lot of fun.
Okay.
So 0 to 60, what is it?
0 to 60, people say it's about 3.2, but really it's closer to 3, to be honest.
3 what?
3 seconds.
3 seconds.
Wow. 0 to 60.
That's
Very quick.
Okay. Let's check out the inside.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get in the back. Here, Terrell, come on, bro.
Leather interior.
So this is one of the upgraded interiors called Elegante interior. So
Elegante. Write that down. Write that down.
Terra Asia Vintage, which is the brown. And then we got the QC Tura hexagon stitching.
QC? 4PF?
Then we got the different driving modes here. So depending on what mode you're in, it'll raise or lower on the air
What's
suspension.
the best mode?
The most fun you're gonna have here in Corsa, which is track mode. It's gonna be the loudest and the stiffest, most fun to drive.
Okay.
You got a panoramic sunroof above you.
I ain't knows, man.
Panoramic roof.
And then,
I heard that in the song from Kevin Gates.
2 touchscreens.
Oh, touchscreens.
So the bottom's
Put it
gonna
on
be
one X.
climate control. So like your AC, heated seats, massage chairs,
Oh, ain't no buttons on here.
all touch.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Up here's infotainment. You got Apple CarPlay. You got your iPhone. So that will plug in and mirror your phone. You
Okay.
also have wireless charging.
Whoa.
Put it right here on this pad.
Oh, it charges. Somebody give me their phone.
It might work with the case on. Try it. Maybe not.
It's T-Mobile. T-Mobile don't usually work like that.
Yeah,
Okay.
there it goes.
Okay. It's charged. I don't need to charge it. Got an SD card just because I want to edit. Final Cut Pro.
And the brown steering wheel. Not a lot of the cars have the matching wheel to the interior. They're usually always black. So
That's
it's a nice
beautiful.
touch.
Beautiful deal.
Here's some information.
I'm going to go through it and all that, but I'm ready to take it.
Let you go have some fun. That's what it's all about, right?
Yeah, let's take it home. New Lambo alert. New Lambo alert. Take it. This is on some GTA shit, bro. This is crazy. Oh my god. This is my whole back seat, y'all. I gotta get rid of this, man. I don't need that. I've been throwing stuff away for the past 30 minutes.
Goes here.
Okay.
Goes here. And this plugs into this part of the battery.
Okay.
Just like that. And then this plugs into the wall.
Oh, okay. You just leave it there.
Yep.
Okay. Keep the battery fresh.
Correct.
Gotcha. Don't even say anything. It's not even like that, bro. I told you. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is something that I informed you about when I was at the Mercedes-Benz dealership or whatever. You're stuttering. Because you know you're fucking wrong, girl. You're fucking wrong. You're fucking wrong, girl. That is crazy.
You really got that right there?
This is it. This is us. This is us, bro. That's wild, bro. Hold on, let me see if I can see Deja. Can't see him. That's crazy. Oh, there you go. That's wild. Is he in cartoon though? Nah, he in real life.
Morningstar Farms. America's favorites made from plants.
Then just click whichever one you
Oh,
want.
shit. This is crazy. Wait. Okay, hold on. Nah, this is wild. I'm in massage right now. This is crazy. Okay, how did you get to that? My bad. I'm trying.
You just press on the seat. So I'll turn it off. Now click it.
Oh, wow. Pulse.
And then you can adjust the intensity by just pressing.
That's lit. That's lit. Still.
Attention, everybody! I just bought a Lambo! This is a Lamb! Sir! This is a Lamb! This is a Lamb truck! Everybody pay attention, bitch! I just bought a Lamb truck! This is a Lamb! This is a Lamb, guys! That's fucking work! This is a Lamb! Sir, this is a Lamb! Alright, y'all, that is the end of this vlog, man. I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. I'm very, very excited. I'm very, very satisfied with my car. I'm gonna wrap it. I'm gonna get these windows tinted. I'm gonna get it right. I'm gonna pivot out, man. This is the beginning of my birthday, the prelude. I wanted a Lambo truck, so I went and got it, man. Fuck uptown, bro. But y'all, I just posted a picture on Instagram. My Instagram is Pontiac Made DDG. I want 1 million likes on the picture for my birthday. That's all I want. So I need every single one of y'all watching this right now. Go to my Instagram and just smash the like button on my last picture. Let's get 1 million likes. Let's aim for it. Let's get it. That's all I want for my birthday. I don't want nothing else. You ain't got to buy me nothing. You go like my picture, man. Repost it or something. Come on now. 1 million likes on my picture. I love y'all. This is just the prelude. I got so much more list stuff going on for my birthday. Damn near DDG Tober, DDG birthday. I got a vlog. It's mandatory that I vlog, so I'm gonna give y'all a few vlogs and stuff. So I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Go to my Instagram. Go like the picture. 1 million likes for my birthday, and I'll love you forever,
Bro. Bro brought a Lamb truck. My time is coming. I promise you, my time is coming. Bro. Stay humble and be patient, bro. Your time is coming, bro. Our time is coming, bro. I did tell you last time, next time you'll see me. Last time I said, next time you see me, I'll be shaved up. I feel like, but next time for sure, you see me, I'll be shaved up. Oh yeah, man. Our time is coming, bro. Our time